Hey guys, welcome back. I got some good couple of devices and update for you. So I have the Redmi Note 7, the upcoming Redmi Note 7. It is already launched in the China and it is going to come in India very soon, hopefully in the February. There's no date announced yet, but we are going to see unboxing and some durability stuff update. And also I have the Samsung Galaxy M20, the new rival to the Redmi Note 7, and we're going to see side by side quick comparison, some specs discussion and some durability test update and some other future stuff. So here are the two phones side by side, and these phones are already unboxed by me on my Hindi channel, and you can check out the durability there, and I will just explain you what happened after 24 hours because it's already been 24 hours. I did all the stuff, some things has been changed. I just want to get you guys in some update. Okay, so first the box content about the phones. First we'll start with the Redmi Note 7. What else you're going to get on the box? So this is the international variant. I actually bought it from the Gearbest. You need to pay 6,000 rupees Indian currency as a custom charge, so that will cost you 730k overall, and you will get some package stuff, and there is a case, and I don't know where's the case, but you will get a case like other Redmi phones. But here's an important thing. This time Redmi Note 7 is coming with a USB Type-C, and on top of that, this actually supports the fast charging. This is 18-watt fast charging. This is international, so you're gonna have to use some sort of connector with that. Either way, I'm not going to use it, but this is 18-watt fast charger, which is very great this time, because previously Motorola only provided this thing and with the Moto 1 power. So that's all you're going to get in the box. There is nothing special. This is the usual Redmi and the Xiaomi packaging. Okay, so this is the Redmi Note 7. Now we're going to take a look on the Galaxy M20 box. What else you will get there? So see, the box looks very cheap here. This one actually looks more premium. I don't know why Samsung is doing a lot of cost cutting. Anyways, you won't get any case with the Galaxy M20. This is very shame. So this is again USB Type-C, but this only supports 15-watt fast charging, and the battery capacity here is the 5000 milliamps versus the 4000 on the Note 7, and it is exactly similar what you got on the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So this is simple box packaging. Looks, I don't like it actually. It's very simple and minimal. It should be something, you know, like it's from the Samsung, like you get on the Galaxy Note series. Okay, so these are the phone's box content, and here are the phone side by side, the Galaxy M20 and the Galaxy Note 7. So first, the durability test update. I will start with the Redmi Note 7. So you can see here, compared to the older Redmi Note 6 Pro, this time they moved completely to the glass. So it actually looks much similar what you get with the Honor 8X. You can see both are having, I guess, the dual tone anodized glass. I'm not sure much about the terminology and terms, but both looks much similar and beautiful. But this is having different gradients, the bluish here, the purple color here matching to my shirt. This is completely blue. Okay, now buttons are all made from the plastic, and this frame is actually again polycarbonate. I was hoping it actually for the metal like you do get on the Honor, which helps in the durability. I will explain you the later. So camera is 48 megapixel with 5 megapixel, and this guy is having, I guess, 13 plus 5, not the more. Okay, so this is a huge stuff here, and the fingerprint sensor is made from the glass, not like the metal, the plastic, but it may break. Okay, USB Type-C, this side the speaker, this is just fashion statement, and you have the IR blaster here, your microphone and noise cancellation mic stuff, right? On the front side, you can see this is 6.3-inch IPS LCD display, and this is already broken. And you remember the Redmi Note 6 Pro already got broken from the same 6 feet height we tried, and this one again got broken. They are using Gorilla Glass 5, and a Mi E2s again use the same thing, but it is made from the metal. That phone did not fail from the drop test from the 6 feet height, but the Redmi Note 7 failed. So I hope if they're using metal, that should simply help in, you know, absorbing the shock, but they didn't. So that is why it failed most likely. Overall, phone seems to be durable, but in terms of drop, it again happened. So till now we tried the 4 Redmi phones, Xiaomi phones, so 3 failed in the drop test, and the only one Redmi 6 Pro passed. So after the test, you can see initially when we dropped the phone, there was no this bleeding. I guess there's a display bleeding here. You can see the black stuff is actually coming out. I don't know from where. So it happened after 4 to 5 hours. So there were only cracks, but like you can see on the Redmi Note 6 Pro, but it actually now it is spreading. If I show you here, so this is actually nice. There is no such display bleeding, but here it is happening. So I'm not sure about that. And other than that, phone is working. We tried the splash test, everything we tried. So do check out the original durability test video. It's in Hindi, but you can understand the visual. Now we have time for the Galaxy M20. So we tried two Samsung phones in the past, the Samsung Galaxy J6 and the Galaxy Note 9. J6 survived, Galaxy Note 9 unfortunately twice the display broken. I need to repair it twice, so it's very expensive phone. So this is again the both phones are in a similar weight, 186 gram, very surprising, and the display is exactly same PPI. So looks like Redmi is using the Samsung's display on their phone. So if you look here, the phone is exactly similar what you see in other phones, like this is Gen 1 Max Pro M2. So this design is more or less getting common nowadays. If I show you some other phones too, like the Honor Y9, they both are having the same kind of design, cheap polycarbonate. It gets scratches very easily. If I just make you a pirate mark, you can see you can scratch the phone very easily. So there is no case out of the box, so you need to use some case with that. And other than that, phone is completely made from the polycarbonate. Both phones are having the same weight, still you get the 5000 milliamps battery here, and this one is just having the 4000 milliamps battery. So technically you get the better battery. So I will show you guys on the future stuffs too. And this again comes with the type C, the single speaker, there's a headphone jack. But the good thing is that the Samsung display is still working. So we tried the drop test on the same height on the both phones. This guy failed, Note 7, but the M20, it survives very easily. Even though both were having the same weight, but this just failed. So maybe there is some different construction benefit on the Galaxy M20. Now this is about the quick durability test update. Some side-by-side comparison. Both phones are having the same weight, 186 gram, and a 6.3-inch IPS LCD Full HD Plus display, and they both are having this teardrop notch, what you call it as a teardrop notch. But Samsung using their internal Exynos processor, I guess it is 7904, and it comes in 3 and 4 GB, but this one comes in 4 and 6 GB. The camera is different, 48 megapixel versus 13 megapixel. I need to show you guys all the stuff soon. I'll show you very soon. But there is nothing else more to tell you. Type C in both the phones, 18 watt versus 15 watt. There are so many stuffs I cannot tell you right now, but this is how these two phones looks like, the Redmi Note 7 versus the Galaxy M20. Now personally, which phone feels to me more excited? You know, I'm more excited about the Redmi Note 7 because it looks more beautiful. I mean, camera is stupidly out, unlike the Galaxy, which is completely flushed. This is out, and I don't like the software on the both the phones, but they both look nice. Here it feels more premium because like the Honor 8X, it feels great, but overall the side effect is that just display got broken, which could have been fixed with using some metals or some improved construction. Anyway guys, whenever these phones will come, and before that I will show you some other stuffs too, like the speed test, performance, camera comparison, which one should you go with that. And Samsung is again okay. I'm happy with the type C they provided. Huge battery, fast charging, especially coming on the budget phones now. And this actually teardrop notch looks much beautiful compared to this ugly notch. So this one is much better. Either way guys, you have to use case to make your phone durable, and stay tuned for future updates and everything else. So this is the update for the Redmi Note 7. The display, actually the liquid is bleeding, the LCD liquid, and this one is still working fine. So overall this is the winner in the durability test. This one is failed because drop test is more important. Nobody is going to bend it, nobody is going to scratch it, but your phone may fail on the drop. This one is not. So anyway guys, hope you guys did enjoy this little update on the Redmi Note 7 versus the Galaxy M2. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.